And the project I had Big Boy Play Toys do was install the head and get everything functioning. So they have got the head toilet put in, little macerator pump, and rewired it, and I got my new switches and breaker. So yes, I got a standard little toilet there that I can flush, fill, flush, quick flush, empty. Okay, so now I finally have some trailer lights there and up there. You can see some amber lights and lights. So we got red in the back, amber in the front, and then because all these little ones didn't work, he rewired up some new ones up in the front, my amber lights up in the front and throughout. So got my amber lights on the side. Brand new harness. So brand new wiring harness. It's a 4-pin one. My truck only has a 3-pin, so I have to use this adapter to put it in. And now we got lights on the trailer and I can actually see. Alright, so one of the last things I gotta do is completely kind of strip off the bottom paint and have it redone. So I brought it to Holland Marine to paint the bottom.